Hello everyone, this is RKV and you are watching Unveil Universe. Samsung Galaxy S9's launch event is just few hours away and some of the live images of this beast have leaked, completely revealing everything on surface, and all the credits goes to an Instagram user, Vaness World. The front of the phone looks gorgeous as its predecessor, the Galaxy S8. There is no great change in terms of the front panel, but there is a significant change in the rear panel, as the fingerprint sensor is now sitting just below the camera lens, which is a 12 megapixel shooter with an immense potential. What do you think about these images of Samsung Galaxy S9? Let me know in the comment section below, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. It means a lot to me. Thank you for coming. See you in the next one. Peace out. Subscribe to our channel for latest tech videos and hit the bell icon to get notifications first.